Good evening, everyone. Sorry, good morning, everyone. And today I'll be making a short video on the difference between post block and in block. Okay, so a post block correction is a correction when we have to complete the block, right? Whenever we have a block on a word, we complete the block. So this can be done in two ways. Either we can complete the word, or we continue uttering the sounds till we run out of breath. For example, the word auspicious. Okay, so I have to stammer on the word auspicious. So I can complete the block in two ways. I can either do like auspicious, this is one way, or the second way is I continue the sound till I run out of breath, till there is no air in my lungs, like this. While I'm in the block, I have to bring my consciousness towards my mouth, and I have to see what is happening, what is really happening, what I am doing with my speech muscles, what I am doing with my articulators. After I complete the block, then I pause for a second. I then breathe in, relax my throat, my articulators, and say the word again. Say the word again, or come back to it, or produce the sound again. It is recommended that you complete the block either by saying the whole word, or till the time air is there in your lungs, so that you confront your stammer, right? So to practice this, you have to be comfortable with stammering openly, right? To practice this, you have to be comfortable with stammering openly. So now I will say one sentence, and I will do post block on the word auspicious. Okay, the word is auspicious. I'll do post block on that, and I will say a sentence. Today is the most auspicious. Auspicious day of Jagannath Rath Yatra. In this, after I completed the word in stammer mode, I completed the word, I paused, then I breathed in, and using bouncing, I repeated the word. This is post block. Like I said, some people may not be comfortable in completing the complete word in stammering mode, like auspicious. Some people will not be comfortable in completing the word, so for that, utter the sounds till you can, till how much you can, till there is air in your lungs, right? In the top G group, I have seen another variation of post block. In this variation, it is a shortened version of post block, that in the middle of the stuttered word, in the middle of the stammered word, you stop, you take a deep breath, you maybe smile and apply a technique like prolongation or bouncing and say it. For example, today is the most auspicious day in Jagannath Rath Yatra. So in this shortened version of post block, I did not complete the stammered word. I stopped midway. I took a deep breath and produced the sound again. So the bottom line in post block is that we have to come back to the word. We have to produce the sound again. After pausing, after relaxing, we have to produce the sound in a prolonged or bouncing way.